Hey guys, so my eyebrows are already done because it takes me forever for me to do them, but I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm putting that on my eyelids for an eyelid primer, and then I'm just gonna blend that out really good. Now I'm going to take my Mercier Translucent powder and I'm going to set that on my eyelids so the concealer doesn't crease. Now I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'm going to use that pinkish shade and I'm going to put that on the top of my eyelids and blend it out and build the color until I like how it comes out. Now I'm taking my Modern Renaissance palette and I'm using the color Primavera and putting that under my brows to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm using my Colorpop liquid lipstick in the color Chaps, and I'm just going to put that right on my lid, and I'm going to take a kind of a fluffy brush and just blend that out really good before it dries. Then I'm going back into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and just take that purple and blend that pink and the purple together so it's nice and smooth. So I'm just going to keep blending, make sure everything is nice and blended out. Now I'm going to take the glitter glue and I'm going to put that right along the eyeliner. Now I'm just going to keep packing and applying on the glitter on the eyeliner. Yes, this foundation is a little bit too light for me, but I make it work at the end, so it's okay.
Say, hey, hey now, baby. Oh, mama, don't play now, baby. Say, hey, hey now, baby. So let's get one thing straight now, baby. Tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. I got the house on you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not? You gotta tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. I'm wishing for you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not? Are we too grown for games? Are we too grown to play around? Young enough to chase, but old enough to know better.
Are we too grown to change? Are we too grown to mess around? Ooh, and I can't wait forever, baby. Both of us should know better.
Ooh, 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 been wishing for you. Ooh, ooh. Try to do what I was doing. Ooh, 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 been wishing for you. Ooh, ooh. Try to do what I was doing. Tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. I got the house on you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not? You gotta tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. Been wishing for you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not?
So this is the finished look. All the makeup products that I use will be in the description box.